easily. This is the first layer or the bottom layer. This is the middle layer or the second layer. This is the third or top layer. The centerpiece has one color, the edge piece has two colors, and the corner piece has three colors. Normally, white opposite is yellow, red opposite is orange, and green opposite is blue. If by accident you misplace the centerpiece, then it's impossible to solve the Rubik's Cube. In a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, there's 12 edge pieces. 4 at the top layer, 4 at the middle layer, 4 at the bottom layer. In a 3x3 Rubik's Cube, there's 8 corner pieces. The top layer or the bottom layer. Hold the cube like this. Step 1, up. Step 2, down. Repeat with the other hand. Step 1, up. Step 2, down. Step 3, inside. Repeat with the other hand. Inside. Step 4, repeat the same with the bottom layer. Inside, inside. Step 5, rotate to the front. Repeat the same with the other hand. With these 5 steps combination, even a 5-year-old can solve a Rubik's Cube easily. Let's solve the first layer. I'm going to start with solving white. To make the white plus with the matching centerpiece. To make a white plus, face the yellow. Now we need to find white edge piece like this. If it's in the middle layer, you just move up. The other edge piece is here. Bring it to the middle layer by rotating the front. Now it's easy to bring it up, but if you bring it up, the other piece will go away. We feed a space by moving it away. Now we can move it up. Let's find another edge piece. It's in the bottom layer. We need to bring it to the middle layer by rotating front. Now it's in the main layer and also the space is empty, so just move it up. The final piece is here. Before moving up, free the space. Now rotate up 2 times. 1, 2. Now the plus is ready, ignore the corner piece. Now we need to match the center. Move the sides until it matches. Once it matches the center, go to the side and move it 2 times to white. 1, 2. Face yellow and match the other colors. Match found, go to the side and move down 2 times. 1, 2. Another one got matched, go to the side and move down 2 times. 1, 2. Match the center for the last white edge piece. Here. Go to the side, move it down 2 times. Now white plus is ready with the matching centers. Now we need to do the corner pieces. Face yellow again and find a corner piece with white on it. This corner piece is with white. Look at the other colors as well, green and red. We need to find where to go with green and red center. We need to move it to the matching center. Green and red. Now it's in the correct location with the matching centers. The 4 important moves. Up, side, down, with the other hand, side. It's not solved. Repeat this until it gets solved. Up, side, down, side. Repeat. Up, side, down, side. Oh, it's done. Now find a corner piece with white on it. It has the blue and orange. Here it has red and green. We need to match the center with blue and orange. Move it until you find blue and orange. Blue and orange. Center is matched. Now repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. It got matched. Find another white corner piece. The centers doesn't match, so we need to find a matching center. It matches green and orange. Now we need to repeat up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. It didn't match. Up, side, down, side. It didn't match. Up, side, down, side. It matched. Now find the last corner piece. Here it is. It's not on the top layer, it's on the bottom layer. To bring it up, we need to repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Now it is up. It matched the center. So repeat upside down side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Once we're done with all the corners, make sure these colors are also matched. Then we're done with first layer. Now the first layer is done, practice this minimum 10 times. Now we need to solve the second layer. Now face the yellow. Find an edge piece without yellow. This has yellow, so this won't work. This doesn't have yellow, so this will work. Move it around until it matches the center. It matched the center. Now we need to find which side it needs to go. This has red and blue, so I need to put it over here so it can match. This thing needs to go to this hand side, so we need to move it away. Then do upside down side with this hand. Up, side, down, side. Now move it to the other hand and hit it. and do up, side, down, side. It matched. Now find another edge piece without yellow. It has green and orange and it already matched the center. Orange and green is here, so I need to use this hand algorithm. Move it away, up, side, down, side. Now we need to move it to right hand, hit white and repeat up, side, down, side. It matched. Find another edge piece. This has red and green. Match their center. Now green and red centers are here, so now we need to use this hand. Move it away and repeat up, side, down, side. Now we need to use left hand. Hit white, up, side, down, side. It matched. Now we need to fix the last corner. It matched the center. This edge piece needs to come over here. We need to use this hand algorithm. Move it away, up, side, down, side. Now we need to use left hand. Hit the white, up, side, down, side. We are done. Now we're done with second layer. In some cases, the required edge piece might be stuck here. In such cases, take any random piece. Insert here and repeat the same algorithm. Please remember to repeat this minimum 10 times before going for third layer. Once we're done with the first two layers, then we need to do the yellow plus. We can see that no edges are already done. Then there's only a dot. To do the yellow plus, rotate front and do up, side, down, side and put it back. We have L here, ignore the corners. Move it to left hand corner. Repeat the same. Rotate front, up, side, down, side. Rotate back. We have a line like this. If you have a line like this, remember to hold like this and repeat. Rotate front, up, side, down, side. Rotate back. Now we have yellow plus. Once the yellow plus is done, line up as many edge pieces as you can with the centers. Green and red. But not lined up other two. In some cases you lined up all four, then you're done with the step. In some cases you only line up two like this. In such case, keep the soft ones. One at the back, one at side like this. If you can't do it and they're opposite to each other, then you can do this from anywhere. Up, side, down, continue the side, up with the other hand, side, side, down. If you did it correctly, it should match up all. Now we need to get all the corners in the correct spot. Ignore yellow. Green and red matched with their centers. This one is not in the right spot. This one is not in the right spot. This one is not in the right spot. If all the corners in the correct spot, then you're done with the step. If one of them is correct, do it from that corner. If none of them are correct, then we can do these steps from anywhere. Side up, side up, side down, side down. Check if all the corners are in the right spot. If not, repeat the steps again. Green and red matched with green and red. Red and blue matched with red and blue. Blue and orange matched with blue and orange. And orange and green matched with orange and green. Now all the corner pieces at the correct location. In this case, already one of the corner pieces are solved. In some cases, none of them or some of them are solved. Every corner is in the right spot now. Move it upside down and face the white. Now take any unsolved corner and repeat the steps. If you do a mistake here, the whole cube is going to be messed up. Repeat upside down side until this corner is solved. Up, side, down, with other hand side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. It got solved. Remember which color you're solving it from? We're solving it from green. Once the first corner is solved, remember to bring the other corner over here. Don't rotate the cube, rotate the bottom layer. This is already solved, so bring another corner. And repeat the steps. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Up, side, down, side. Now it's solved. Bring the last corner piece. And repeat up, side, down, side. 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 Now just move the bottom layer. The Rubik's Cube is solved.